Social man Ghana see ya, idea be a common, a be normalized. That is politics of insult. Say a day atimidi air from on your same mono. I say a be common, our Ghana Hanomo, Nama. Some of the stakeholders maybe a Chiambana says there be a binding be being found. I won't put a stop to that. So though you will free speech, but free speech, a limit. As any be a contra or a limit. ATM pe be any found. I'm a banners or any Abraham now, yet any penny be. Now I know, and this almost former national organizer. Honorable Yabwati Jan, Wabekan Sibro, Chiremu says a bupo be Edo Sobo Abono for attempted dear Ebura on your Semudia, any on Obekano Cre. Why NDC, but Obekan with Trims a Kevin Taylor. And I'm on Fasobuono. Emono. Now they be hanging Mukraye. Case in another Samuko Chamu Supreme Court to know. And then I'll book quiet to Honomo, a man could be a diatem. Now, if you have him ladies, so about to be Eddie about Kevin Taylor. More hard more ask me who's Penyah, but you jamu amwatiasi. Eddie de conspiracy was other Roma. You be a subscriber to so. Now better education on for latest update. Now better the wide Eddie Mammy or comment section Honomo. I know was so. I'm only as any biasha. My come for NGWX Limited and the amount say Upo I want your plumbing works as may be amount and as you perceive two in so Eddie Mount. You may two swimming pool and farm mount. Just say you have solar panel and farm mount ufie hotel schools business be beer and as ye may power plant installation so and farm out there ni nyina no NG work ana o me say adwumade ni nyina o san mo ho a wo do adwuma akosi awa what sika ato atwene frɛ wo mu na enum ni nsa woso na o mebo asa akwans o mu namba ene gu ase no o mu service e clean Ghana ha ba bia frɛ bia no o meba aba adwumade no e de ama now let's go to the story e was anim say Ghana ha no mo ye frɛ wi politics of insult I say atembidi a abɛfra amamyesem na e wo Ghana ha e wo ha che every bra amanyosem ebaaye na temdidie efam ho because eye dey ade bi a prepare e wo ho bi ade e de abufuo ene mentimo ase eba enipa ne nipa ntem ama eko mienu obi atumi tutu bi e de man miok but na enye common said e na yehuni first na e wo ho but no obi atumi tena ne fie akoya hwintiri hu bi hunti so atumi kan adwekwa kire no but now no de akwakori point bi say obi timi so camera tena animu na wo kan sem bi fa panyin bi ho a na bu yasa na akoda we na se nipa we wo kan sem ekura no dan kasa ne bo na chi do ma ne kasa sa e ma sa ohwe system ni mu ya sa ne ma we start from 2020 ever abra na MPP etia konwa so na NDC ewo position that time no ho ana this issue of politics of insult start Ghana ha no mo ene say ye twitwa ntro to obi so false accusations yen twantron to enfan say obi fam go bi animase estate ewo MPP time abra na NDC ewo efie na o ma ye bibia 2016 mo lusu aba no 2020 o ma say lusu je say o ma ya na mfa na de aka na say yen twantro entu o mo so na enfan say o mo ntre Ghana fo e ma that time no Akufo the government wa anya hwe ha o ye say obetu sa de no so sa ewom you were free speech but untimi for free speech no enke ka de ope uni evidence enka at that time no Akufo the government yes obetu say it was started with oheneba bo ama beni obeka ya 2020 elections no onso na abaye atwetan ya 2 year na ya be results no na say abaye atwetan etina ensem no kra na say e wo court na say ehu de eka kokopa enti on 14th December 2020 no and they declared the elections results no because that trading count at the committee to omunye nhwemu after 7th December no that 8th rank kan ba na ke be declare nipa wa win no na say abaye mentomase bi wiesi ma win and this wa win MBC wa win na say abaye atwetan ti no yet some committee bi say ne omunye nhwemu na chief justice mu nyina wo mu bie edom go tena siwe no ene be ka say oh adin de omu hwemu no mu hu say Kufuado na ewin elections no emu na out of nowhere hinba bo ma beni that no o edge more TV XYZ ebe kan see bi o got trend TV so ene o make publications ene o kire mu say sa 8 member committee na Kufuado for me ye no Kufuado na eda wo ma na ono na kire mu de o mu nka ana ono na kire mu decision o mu ntake entina election results o ma declare in his favor o make such an accusation just say hokwa aka say just a Chief Justice Kwabashe Kufuado botu Kufuado na air command Chief Justice former Chief Justice Araba Tokono Gertrude just a Kufuado na air command no oni say Emma that day no was a trouble Kufuado the day Kufuado attempt anya no nko Emma that time kwa no or say calling for coup against the Kufuado government or ye nima we nyina one or accuse Kufuado say just a 8-member committee go for me say omunya enquire election results ni mu na omunfa results emra no ana chief justice mu nyina wo mu that say east officials na wo mbie no akwa be ka say Akufo-Addo na control wo mu nyina nti no results no wa be tan no aye dia abase Akufo-Addo awe ne de Akufo-Addo ope and occasions omra meka ene one biem o say di Akufo-Addo atem de to so miensa owe o say calling for coup esenka soja for no kra nye coup emfa metu Akufo-Addo fra konya so ema that mu ko kire no ye de wo hye mu 2 days obu ne wo hye mu 2 days enum granting 100,000 cedis bail that time emu a ye yi ni wie ye na se oda so wo ho ye mranto asem bi ekeka na adwen keka kanse nwuru bi enti eros in 2022 February mu ana Bobia ono so akra FM eso kokeka nkwase asem Bobia ansa esbe eka se Akufo-Addo yere former first lady of the land Her Excellency Rebecca Akufo-Addo oka se afa kwan bone so ahwia oman sase Kokotika International Airport hono mu a the AU village land ni be hono mu no Akufo-Addo yere afa kwan bone so ahwia bi de ya ono no Rebecca Foundation na oye no wa wi oman sase e na ode ye abra na only evidence bia it was akwachi no on the 10th of February 2020 akwachi Bobia ansa it that same time na akwachi na emu na no ana ohene baba be ni be keka nkwase asem esen aye Akufo-Addo ene control court system no ese court system she Akufo-Addo botum ti do pen wo ye obi kan nsem bia no obi akwachi no ejese akwachi ohene baba ma edne bai the then attorney general Godfrey Odame file contempt against him ever akwachi ne ba court am that time ye jeli no 14 days ye dinu tum ye di na sem dinu tum ebubo no em ye jeli no dinu tum 14 days and that says on 30 million ana Bobia answer the granting the bail but that time na no mugi cancer munu share free speech echi cancer munu making false accusations e must akra accuse Samira Baumia accuse Akufo-Addo yere any Baumia yere say omumie no mawia oman asase abra oni evidence bia that time Mahama make a statement His Excellency with the greatest of respect o make a statement be on the 11th of February 2022 the day after say kwachi Bobia ansane ohene baba bani no Mahama make a post and kire mu say I am appalled at the growing criminalization of free speech and journalism. Just Mahama kan say said there as a journalist for mu ya adwuma criticize government no ya chichi omu ne de ha no e wana Mahama call say Akufo-Addo ebe judge no because okaze Akufo-Addo is initiating or instigating or igniting culture of silence. Mahama make this as a post. At that time, NDC for anti-ase am yang ensure sanity concerning free speech. O man anti-ase. No more against etia. Say Akufo-Addo chichi abanfo when Nebuchadnezzar we can be. Emma Kevin tell us di attempt ke kaka se twetwe fa nipa bebrebe ho. Emma so na asem court na bench warrant e dan so bagan ha ye nchini ntum. But wa mahada 2025 mu aye to oba NDC win 2025 NDC trans 2025 Mahama assistant chief justice the high court judges bebrebe aye no eno achi ana Kevin Tra ba Ghana ene ekotwa the case ni mu e was Supreme Court.
Answer. Is it okay. Is it any word for Ghanaians?
All good. Yeah, guy here. Yes. Let's go.
Yes, abebo kwa ikese am free ama insult. Because the oil master of insult in politics in the case yakutwe e just say onu di atem kra na ya tutuma eye dia enchanche on afi party na che on be free office o free ma o party ba be you dia kire no. But now no because of Kevin Tell issues no enkoda timi di mpanimfu atem omunsuro because onu so mu di atem a back critical the party they belong to, the party officials will come to their rescue. It will be at almost through. Ye trust a bonny be pan out to her no more. But a buy idea. And this is for any abre. Musan and Sana of any abre say free speech and check can some didn't make false accusations. But that time, 2022, yeah, Chibo Biansa, I don't have one Benny. Mukas as a good father is igniting culture of silence. Mamma cram and chiwu. Mamma quite. Mamma quite. That's all him was system no abaya trend. Insult in politics abaya trend. Now I know. Ana NDC omu former national organizer say hey, se mu po bi edo sobo abodo. Atimidia abewura manya same organ hanom no ena. Momfa sobo no. Emo Kevin Taylor na eyo no. NSULTS saade we nyina ase.
You see some of the videos aya na o is saying
you see ya na ne hame and it's a nipa binuma omunimdi ya minim se o mako school edurachiri na omu esoso saa ne ma no so na omu anigye ho se omu ye ne ma binuma etesa na ya na hame yi masa atebidi no the NDC ni mete ya ekamu nokre ne ko farbai any abranti bi a woti US a de bia wo twe phone sinanim Kevin Taylor di atamo di satin na yinfu ni nyina atem my de no kokot na wa bana Supreme Court attorney ade no na ye wo security for na edinachi aden
oh yeah NDC new
oh masa pacho edu baby a Pabna Midikan mi NDC ni.
You think Ghana first?
Pacho ni mi Ghana ni ansa na me be NDC ni.
Oh,
o te dem kire no. Baby e tete me no. Enya santete ni ye de ma me. Yankasa atemnidie enka me politics a me ye ho. Enti sa me bi NDC ni na so bi ya de na enya e wo party mu a se me ka kire no. Na no ni nya atemnidie. Sadi we ya esi ye no. I am bolding nipa binuma sabio sabim prediasa. Omosu say eyede benyo eyede be bibi na tiegu omusu ama obi eyebi.
Kevin see there is difference between insult and threat. One threatening obi ada. Enti
na atemnidi. Udi obi atema. Yako yemran mu. Mu yanka ubisa lawyer. Ubisa ne say udi obi atema. Eyede a friend verbal assault. Verbal assault. It is a war assault to Ubia. Udonsa Ebubia, ye den. Yavan Coco.
Yadoko, yes.
Inti a verbally war assault to Ubia, no say any
Yadoko.
So what is it?
So,
it in your own cannot say, Mr. Ubetimia Kawasem.
You can criticize.
I criticize in panel. Na temni ni die, Massa. Me one am a bote. If you say yes, entity and any de mammy. What dear tem saying? Nipano wood the bena yakwa dressing piezo, ye campaign, near Casa. Yen yet would dear tem casepa dimuntu abamayan.
You been see that.
Mr. Say, I know anyway. When I made the beer and a mechanic say, near yeno and a mechan. Near yeno, mechana only in Yabia.
So now when you're okay with the decision, court decision, Kevin Taylor.
Me mumudi na me okay with it.
Oh,
because we did be matter on. Atemni dia ohoi. Sabi sem brother, edu ba bia ya o. Ade uni ho na obi ka
e kan fa ho.
E fa ho.
Yes.
Nipa na ya wo kan fa no ho no, ka hu se owo ma. Bia wo yire. Bia wo kunu. You see? Won so awoka sa asem no, o papa. O maame, so mu nwu ya o mo ti wo. So ma wu mpa. So you
think that is the genesis Ghana ya?
Me madwimu. Media me madwimu. Obi be kasa oni me nya adwen. Ba me madwimu. Na ye sa na ema no a. Oh ne ya na me ne ha me ne say. Ebinim so ana minim so omunim de no. Esososo. A omusu ye bi. Na ebinim so aya omunim de. Te say na nse wo hwe ma ebinim omoye indomie. Ebinim na munso etwe TikTok ya bai etwe phone si omanim na omudi atemo a ya che omu na ebinim ka ara na oche no free speech no ene atemni die no kwabra me no ekasa wo ho madi obi atem
Deb.
enti de benti na yensua se yensem a yebeka no yenni atem na mo yebeka semama atonipa naso wonim se sie woyi anu firi wa enema bi e ba ese mo hwe na mo ka mo asempa ene Christopher ne kramofo asemo me bese sie na me hwe TikTok ma mi bi eni bra brena Christopher ye ka cha mo kwasiafo ne nkraba adenyi na bi so asom na kramofo mo kram chese seni bi wa ye ya
and it's very dangerous
ya omaya ya yetimu a eye sudue mai no ne ekọ no ye de atemdidie no kakran sa yeti anye yi a agi train minu omaya ya yetimu ne ye ne
ya chechire ne kama
obi ya de na enya men kasa de na wo ye na benefit unti because me mra na me ye national organizer sabi ye nya obi ti se Kevin Taylor ma no ni obi atem ansa na ye di win election kwabna oti na me chere na
meet you power
ya nkofa obi amana nkodi ye opponents na atem ni ye di win election ye adwuma ebonto di Professor Monsachi wono kra no abrantie bi ekodi na atem mribi no so obeka ya small boy bi ekodi di na atem a ye kokoche no ni o so ka se omunya no
then all radio station no yeah me kind of
o ka se yenya no ogoduru MPP for station no muso amano so si akonkon e boje
no me former station yeah
hwense munu we oso yomunya no meti ye se abrante no kra ya me wa ye basabasa
na munja na dey abedru say because
no
now that Ghana Police Service asha say arrest you
very good
won't say MPP for can say no even the odidi Dr. Bomia temu ya Dr. Bomia so on complaining say yenchi obi so they should leave the person
no Bomia no ye do atemna say usu complaining ya Anto Abama as vice president.
Yes, he's a
yeah, vice president within a term. No, nyini hunsi or you be dealing with that person.
Oh, so you are running daily
exactly
because of Bawumia as our vice president.
Exactly.
Not only Bawumia say
only candidate. We have to deal with that person. Say oh yeah NDC dio, oh yeah CPP dio, oh yeah UP, oh yeah Wanyo.
And you think that can solve the problem, the insult. Arresting them, that's the solution.
Na asotwe be mbiem na yemfa mom. Nipa ni di atem. Wejano.
Obi
atem. Wejano. Odi atem wejano.
Say yemfa ne say Ghana Police Service after these two major political parties. Na omo sa share krata say said the team gu vigilante ne we say no. Monko announce say what be di atem no. Yeah, political party, we won't support it. I'm running nobody. Don't you think that would be the best solution?
I have called on the two political parties or more. Nye chairman, idiot. No more seven America. May say, your council of elders. Yeah, NDC, your council of elders. Chairman ne Mahama Idris. And the minims MPP so. Omo council of elders chairman any hackman who's Rajaban. Me say beya sampa info me anyway enye joint press conference.
Okay.
Omo ntwen kra ma police from omo joint press conference. Na omo ma omo ntia say politics na ifra ase na ne ye. Masa ye politics a munufie NEC for li ye co-chairman. Na MPP so minim ne oye omo verse chairman kra me refi nipa no. Odo sax nim time na ye. Wana na di obi atem. Why na ne di obi atem? Na no me ka obi say na MPP ni wan na beti me ko di Rollins atem. Masa atem ni ye die. O se okukuo mu ba bi na o si o ana hu ni TV so ni TV ne yi. And obi ante. Na kwotwe adisi wanim na TikTok o yema de toso na eni na mabruchire nyina na en nra me hwe TikTok ni bi. Obi kura ne ka o se ya hwe bi na o de Mami bia edi police ni ba impo design. Police ni ba. CID ni ba yi. Edi na si wo no odi na tem. Ono so kra no wo enipa na mse jama wo your friend say amano ne. Mami no wayo den. Ewrebe ye djuma wo ye no. Edi be mpa no wa beka wa nti ye wudi na tem. Ohu a ebufuwa say Debenti na sa ne ma we ni mo koso sa.
Na Afia Vimlady so no abeka nsem bi achre Kevin Eko Taylor.
What did they make us? NDC has no moral rights. Who kitchen blogger for as long as we over 10 years. Who kitchen blog get dia tema no pa ewia enumre we di chief imam atem we di kremofo atem so mukora no kra de pepa yeto we di nkranhene atem we ochehene kra de we di na tem asene kwasea me boss Samson Lade aye ni we di na tem e di Samson Lade aye ni ana yere ti ba we di na tem Manase awuni we di Manase atem Manase yire we di na tem na no bon halitosis patient we di omu nyina tem obi meti akra de me kra de me class 1 we di me atem me kunu mabusuafo we di obi atem under the guidance, the auspices, and the payments of NDC. Obi bechemo. Momo kitchen blogger mo sponsor na mutu aneka. A obagana wo full security apparatus plus o TV pufie. Ono kra we dim crofo bebre atem obi ankoche no. Only a sankoma ne file a civil suit against him. And no kra no secure judgment kra no mo judgment yana. Mo try mo buy na man no koje Supreme Court say and you can't say and yes sir you follow the law. Into head then a TikToker or irrelevant. TikToker or no politics mainstream politics on ka ho mo kwache no.
Tira wadwe mame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Agra.